Hamster complete daily cipher code for the pop-up symbols. So for O, this is three dashes, dash, dash, and dash. For F, dot, dot, dash, dot. Again for F, dot, dot, dash, dot. After that C, dash, dot, dash, dot. For H, four dots, dot, 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 and dot. For A, dot and dash. For I, two dots. For N, dash and dot. So the whole code is of chain. So here create code for today.